Okay, there's not going to be as much talking on this one. Mostly just because it's kind of the same process over and over again, using a mixture of water and black paint to add some weathering on it. And this is especially where I would notice my mistakes with trying to touch up with different styles of paint, particularly around the frown. It just wouldn't age as well as the other areas. So overall, I would just try to think of it in the terms of if wearing the helmet, where would damage come from, and that's why I tried to kind of go from the front out or back. I may have been too worried about making it look too grayish, and so I would wipe it off too quickly. But overall, it is a fun process. After a while, I started using a little bit more of a mixture of like a dry brush technique in order to get a little bit more of the streak or scuff mark look to the helmet, and then would go over it with kind of the black wash and would just play around with a lot of it there. And then because of the character and not wanting it to look too uniform, I do end up using a reddish brown paint that I kind of dry brush a little bit into some of the grooves and things to make it look like dirt and not just the blackish gray weathering and damage. But in a lot of ways, this is one of the more satisfying parts, in my opinion, because all of the little dents and issues with the helmet can kind of be hidden as battle damage, as this black wash paint would get stuck into various grooves. Once I was done with it all, I was able to then take some, I believe these were like filters or films to use for lighting with photography, and I had just enough of this grayish black to cut out and make the visor for inside inside the helmet. And then all that was left after putting in the visor was to glue some padding in so that it wouldn't sit too far down on the head and be a little bit more comfortable to wear for longer than a minute. And there you go. There's the finished product. It was a lot of fun. I still have one version of this helmet that had broken because it was printed in smaller segments that eventually I will finish off and have it be for myself.